So I'm at the Blaen car park today, which is up on the Llangattock escarpment, and has fantastic views already from the car park, which is quite high up. We're heading this way for the most sort of southern part, most sort of northern tip of this sort of moorland or escarpment, to do the last remaining little hill summit here called Twyn Disgwylfa or something, can't pronounce it. So we're going to just cross over in a minute, and I'll catch you shortly. We've just hit this little rock formation that's on the OS map on the way. We'll come up from the quarry car park there, and it's yeah, impressive views. That's Carreg House where we were the other day, up on that's the Llangattock side of the mountain. We're on the Llangattock side, and I think the cairn is here, Twyn Disgwylfa, something like that. But it's a new hill. It's not probably the most exciting one, but I only had 2 hours this afternoon, but certainly before it gets dark, so it was quite a good choice just to tick off a couple of new ones. And this is an independent summit on the kind of OS map and hill walking website, so it's one to be done. I'll see you in a bit. A very impressive cairn on the top now. The views are really incredible actually. This bit here is like a spur that comes out of the moor, and here you've got Lonely Shepherd, Blaen, and the Llangattock escarpment. So the road up there where we part, and the Brecon Mountain, Central Beacons, Torval, Buckland Hill, and Llangorse Lake. And then you've got Mynydd Troed, Llangorse Mountain, Myarth and the forest, and then the Central Black Mountains. Absolutely incredible views. Nice little walk over here. New one done. New cairn. New mini hill summit and the Brecon Beacons. Another one ticked off. So, I'm going to get back because I'm going to try and get one more in before it gets dark. See you in a bit. Okay, so we're on to a second one. We've parked over near Keeper's Pond, just come down the road. It's the Blaen here, and we're walking up Blaen Pig, which is, yeah, seriously, Blaen Pig, which is this disused tip, which isn't particularly attractive, but nice views of the Black Mountains and Gilwern Hill. Now this sits on the edge of the Brecon Beacons, on the boundary, and the sort of hilltop summit of this is half in the Brecon Beacons, so it has to be included in the list. So I'm going to get up there and see what's going on. Kind of weird, this disused tip. It's obviously like literally an industrial wasteland. It's kind of eerie a bit, bygone era. Blaen Pig. So get to the top of the ridge there and hopefully we'll see where we're going. So I'm at the top of the ridge and the crossroads. This is an Abraham Harry tip here. Great view of Coity Mountain here. Amazing. Huge ridge. Very long. And quite boggy. Grim really up here. This is Llanelli Hill. I've been up there before. So I'm following this to the summit marker, which is called I can't remember what it's called actually. Let's have a quick look at the map. Carreg Maen Taro. There's a boundary stone, kind of summit stone. So that's where we're off to. Some nice heather. But yeah, it's grim basically. It's kind of apocalyptic. See you in a bit. Here we go. Carreg Maen Taro. It's a boundary stone apparently. Ancient stone. It's listed in the Ancient Monuments of Wales. It's kind of not much to it, but it's quite cool. And that's it. So another hill done. Blaen Pig, Carreg Maen Taro. And what I'll do is walk up here, which is slightly higher. Let's have a look at the view. Oh, she's going to pull me over in the mud now. Yeah, come on. Put on the league, some ponies up here. So this is certainly the highest point around up here. It's bleak, for sure. Oh, whoa, hang on a minute. Whew. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. Massive cliff face. Wow, I'm glad I didn't take that lower path, because you couldn't get up that. Wow, that's awesome. So we're 100% on the sort of hilltop summit of Blaen Pig. This is cool. We've got massive drops. Well, this industrial landscape. Good views into the central Black Mountains. But yeah, it's certainly bleak up here. But yeah, I was saying glad I didn't take that lower path, because I saw on the map that there was some sort of feature here, but certainly needed to go higher up. So that's cool. Quite impressive. Stand on the end. Blaen Pig. This side of the stone is in the Brecon Beacons. The other side is the valleys. So that's it. Only a couple of hours. We're going to get down before it gets dark. 2 new hills done on the quest to tick them all off, which is going to take years. But I've enjoyed it. A couple of hours out, and I'll see you again next time.